Welcome dear students to our YouTube channel Best Project, and today we will see the topic name 3-phase automatic phase selection system. So hardware setup is as available on the screen. So let us see which components is used in this project. It is a main switch. It is used to turn on and off the entire project. These three switches are used to turn on and off RYB phases to test our system, either it is working fine or not, it detecting the phases or not properly. These three transformers are used to read RYB phase voltages to see either the phase is available or not. After smartly selecting one phase from 3-phase supply, our project will use this lamp as a load, and we will see the load condition using this lamp. We are using Arduino Nano to run the LCD and taking all the smart decisions, reading all 3-phase voltages and handling entire process. This Arduino Nano is responsible to display availability of all 3 phases, and currently load is running on which phase. This LCD will display all these parameters. It is also removable to give indication about that load is currently running on which phase. These LEDs are responsible. It will indicate us for shifting the phase according to the phase availability. These relays are responsible. As you can see, it will turn on and off the load according to the desired available phase. As our setup required 230 volt for its demonstration, for that purpose we are providing a 230 volt. So now let's have a look on its performance, and to see that, first we will turn on the setup using the main switch, and project name is appearing on the screen. Okay, and then as you can see, all 3 phases are off. That's why LCD is showing power off. And now we will turn on first R phase. So we are going to turn on. See, R phase has turned on, and load has shifted to R phase. You can also see in the LED light. Okay, and now we will turn on Y phase. So as you can see, we have 2 options now to shift the load, but load is currently running on R phase, so no problem. We have 2 choices. Now we are going to turn on B phase. So we have turned on, but this time load has shifted to phase B, but we have 3 choices, so no problem, we can use anyone. Okay, you can also see it in the red LED. Now we will turn off B phase to see how system react. See, load has automatically shifted to R phase because B phase is off currently now. Okay, we have 2 options now, R and Y, but load is on R phase. Okay, now we are going to turn off R phase. See, so load has shifted to Y phase because we have only one choice now, and LED is indicating the load status. Now we are going to turn on B phase. So we have now 2 choices, you can see. So load is running on L, no problem, we have 2 choices. So load has shifted to Y phase. Okay, now we are going to turn off Y phase. See, because Y phase is off and R phase is off, load has shifted to L phase, B phase. Okay, so that our system should run continuously. Now we are going to turn off R phase. Turn on R phase. So you can see R phase is on, that's why load has shifted to R phase. And now we are going to turn on Y phase, and you can see we have 2 options, but load is shifted on B phase, no problem. We are going to turn off B phase, and you can see load is shifted to R phase because B phase is currently off. And we are going to turn off Y phase, but you can see we have only one option of R phase, so load has shifted to R phase. LED is also showing it. We are going to turn off all the phases. So you can see, because we have no phases available, so that's why LCD is showing power off, means load shedding has occurred. Okay, so now we are turning on and off all the switches so quickly to test our system, but you can see our system is taking decisions so quickly and working so fine. Okay, look on the key, look on the phase available, and also see the load is running on which phase, so you will get properly how system is working. Okay, so our system is capable to take decisions so quickly to avoid any discontinuity in our supply. After this session we will have a look on backside wiring. So if any student want to purchase this project, please visit description box, and if any student want any kind of changes in this project, so those students are also welcome. We have many other videos on our YouTube channel. Please also watch those videos, and thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any queries, please ask in comment section. Please share this video with your friends for their help. Thank you so much for watching this video, and take care. We will see you in next video.